If your toilet's running or not flushing properly, it may need a quick adjustment or a simple repair you can do on your own. Here's what you'll need. A running toilet can quickly drive up your water bill, so try replacing the flapper. An old flapper may not sit correctly on the valve, causing a constant trickle or hissing sound. To correct this, first turn off the water supply. Then, flush the toilet to drain the tank's contents. Now, gently remove the old flapper by releasing it from the flush valve and the handle chain. To install the new flapper, you'll need to reseat it on the valve and reconnect it to the pegs. Then reattach the chain, making sure there's adequate tension to pull the flapper away from the valve during a flush. Now, turn the water back on and flush to double check that the flapper seals correctly and the trickle has been eliminated. If the toilet is flushing poorly, you may not have enough water moving into the bowl. Adjusting the water level can correct this. Try adjusting the float arm by turning the adjustment screw at the top to raise or lower it. The float arm's height dictates the tank and toilet bowl's water level. Flush to test if the new setting corrects the issue. If not, continue to make adjustments until it does. Good luck, and thanks for shopping at the Home Depot.